Hello everyone, welcome to 30 minutes learning. Today we are going to discuss about string functionality in SAPUI5. In this section, four type of functionality we are going to discuss. First, camelize, capitalize, format message, hyphenate. Okay, let's see one by one in real-time example. I just create a new project here. This project name string. Go to view. I'm going to create label and one input, one output box, and one button. Okay, label text, we're going to give input and input id hyphen input and button text. So camelize first function and one output id output. Okay, so in this button I'm going to add one event. Press event on camelize. Okay, go to control.js, create new function. Okay, before using this camelize function, we need to bind that camelize in our JavaScript. So library SAP base strings camelize. Okay, after binding this, we need to assign here camelize, then we can use here camelize function. Okay, in this view we have that one input, one output. So first we need to take an input from user, then we give that corresponding output in that output field. Okay, we take that ID. I'm going to create a new variable, user input, this dot get view dot by ID dot get value. Okay, then we check that user input is not empty. For this I'm going to create a one if function. Okay, inside we're going to use that camelize function. Okay, once that user input we get, then we can pass that user input in that camelize function, where output. Okay, so that camelize output I'm going to pass to this output variable. So this output variable we're going to bind in output input output. This dot get view by ID dot set value output. Okay, now we created cameless function. Actually, this cameless function, if you give that hyphen string, hyphen based string, it will convert it to camel case string. For example, you should give that foo bar, like this is user input, then expected output foo bar output. So if you give this hyphen based string, it will convert it to camel based string. This purpose we are going to use this camelize function. Okay, let's check our functionality here. I run that application, index HTML, okay, let's give input foo hyphen bar camelize. Now you see this hyphen, it's replaced, and the first letter of after hyphen it will capitalize. So this is camelize function. So we can use another one functionality, capitalize. So now we're going to create another one button here. Control Shift D to duplicate this line. So here capitalize. So we're going to create another one function in controller. Actually, this capitalize function used to create a used to changing a first letter in word capital. That purpose we are using this capitalize function. For example, if user give that name as help, like is a small, then it will convert it first letter as a caps H and remaining letters are small. Like this output you will get. So similarly, we're going to take user input. Same functionality we can copy here, and now we're going to use capitalize function. So remove this camelize and add the library here. Okay, capitalize, then bind that library, take this library function, capitalize, okay, then bind the output for relevant field. Okay, check again. Okay, something issue. SAP base load capitalize.js. Okay, I got it. I typo error. capitalize, I change here and here also. Now we're going to check again. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now we give that name Hulk as a small, then click that capitalize Hulk as a first letter caps. So capitalize function, it's working. So next we're going to use that hyphenate function. Hyphenate is nothing but it's a reversible functionality of camelize. So if you give that camel case word, it will convert it to hyphen separated string. I'm going to add another one button. Hyphenate event on hyphenate. Now we're going to create one more function. Okay, I just deploy this similar code. In the top we are using capitalized code. Now we need to add that library for hyphenate. Control Shift D2, duplicate the line, then hyphenate. Okay, this hyphenate we need to give here as in here. Okay, now refresh our application. Okay, third button we give that name HULK. If you press name after H, it will replace to hyphen and H as small letter. This is hyphenate function. If you give this input in the top, then if you press that camelize function, it will irreversible. Okay, then capitalize. So first letter it will go into caps. So three functionality it will work. Now fourth one, format message. Okay, so in this example we're going to add one more button. Message on message. I'm going to add one more function here. Function here I need to get that user input. Then if I click this button, then I need to show some pop-up toasted message. So toasted message. So message toast, we're going to use this library. So add here. So all dot we're going to change as slash, then user input, we check that the user input is not empty. Message toast dot show, then this function. Okay, now I just give that some basic function message toast. Okay, I'm not add in that function error here. Now that error gone. Okay, string, refresh that our app. Hi, input hi. If I click that message, it toast. It's working. So now what is format message? So format message, we can um, give us some pattern for messages. So for example, you can bind some value dynamically in that messages. So first we need to add that library SAP base string, then format message. Then add here format message. Then before toasting a message, we're going to format our input. So first we need to give that string. For example, hi after name. In this name we can give help. Next input, next parameter, array of object. So we can give that name help. Here we can replace that help to curly braces 0. So it's both are similar. You can give that hard-coded value, or you can pass that one array value. Okay. After formatting this, you can toast a message here. Okay. So we're going to store output. Then this output we can bind here. Okay. Refresh our app. Now this hi and help, it hard coded, and help is it's a dynamic array. Okay, something issue. Why it's not performing? Check that source controller. Okay, we need to give validating user input, so give that hi. Okay, hi help. Now it's working. So we need to get a user input and make it as an array here. For that purpose, we're going to add one more variable, array. So small letter array and new array. So in this value, we're going to push that user input. Array dot push user input. Then we can pass that array value directly here. Okay. So now whatever name we given in that input field, it will concatenate with this string. Then it will pop up the toast. Now refresh that app. Okay, give that help message, hi help. So if we change different name, XYZ, it will dynamically change that toast message. So like this we can add more array object, and you can increase that 0 to 1 2 3, like 0 after 1 2, like this formation. That's all guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please make sure to click bell icon and notification, turn on the notification for my further future videos. Thanks, bye.